everybody. If you've been curious about what fascia flossing is, here's a little tidbit so you can get an insider view. What is going to happen is we'll come onto hands and knees, but then bring your elbows underneath your shoulders. Your knees can be a little wider than your hips. Your elbows are going to pull back, so you're starting to engage your fascia or your connective tissue. As you pull your elbows back, sit yourself back towards a child's pose, and then relax, start again, come on forward. Pull your elbows back, keep pulling back, feel this engagement all through your upper back, behind your arm, maybe it comes up into your neck, it wraps around into your mid-back potentially, and what we're doing is that we're lighting up and engaging the connective tissue. As we elongate it, we create the floss. So those two things, engagement and elongation phase, create an internal exfoliation of that tissue. And we're gonna start clearing it out. We're starting to move any old, hard, plasticky tissue that's not serving our bodies anymore. And what happens as we work this tissue is that we'll become more elastic, hydrated, and our connective tissue is what transports energy. So we'll become a more efficient energy system in the body. Remember that your connective tissue is the one tissue that links everything else in the body. So if you take care of that, hopefully we're also supporting the rest of our body systems. Would love to see you in the Zoom room. Hope you join us.